Okay, let's go.
Welcome to Chimatis Calculus Clinic C cube. If y equals to 6 divided by square root of x squared plus 5, find y prime. Y prime is first derivative of y with respect to x. Y prime can also be written as what? dy dx. dy d what? X. dy dx. Now let's solve it now. Y equals to 6 divided by square root of x squared plus 5. This can be written as y equals to 6 open brackets 1 divided by x squared plus 5, everything raised to power half, close brackets. Now look at what I did. Don't forget, one of the laws of indices says that root a is the same thing as what? A raised to power half. That is what I did here. Root x squared plus 5 is the same as x squared plus 5 raised to power half. Okay, this can also be written as 6 open brackets x squared plus 5 close bracket raised to power what? Minus half. What did I do here? I applied negative index law of indices. Negative index law of indices, which says that a raised to power minus n is the same thing as what? 1 over a raised to power n. Did you get it now? Now, what are we going to do here? If you have something like this, y equals to a x raised to power n. Y prime is what? N times a. N times a x raised to power n minus 1. But we can't apply this directly because the base here, my a here is 6. My x here is x squared plus 5. My n here is what? Minus 1 over 2. That is minus half. We can't apply this directly because the base here is binomial function, whereas the base here is monomial. So when the base is monomial, you apply this law like this. But when it is binomial, what do I mean by binomial? When you have sum or difference of two terms, such is called what? Binomial expressions. So look at this now. We have two terms here as the base. So we can't apply this law directly. So we apply chain rule. Chain what? Rule. We apply chain rule. That is why the topic says chain rule of differentiation. Now, what is chain rule saying? Chain rule says that if y is f of u and u is what? G of x, then dy dx is the same thing as what? Dy du times du dx. Very good. So this is the law. Having known the law, what next? Now how to apply it. How are we going to get this dy du dx? Let's proceed now. Okay, now let the base be the u. Let the base be u. U equals to x squared plus 5. Du dx is now what? 2x. Remember power of x rule. 2 times x raised to power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. X raised to power 1 is what? X. That is how we got 2x. Now, what happened here? This is a constant. Derivative of any constant is what? 0. So, now, having made x squared plus 5 as u, y is now what? Y is 6u raised to power minus half. Have you seen it? It is now in that form. This is our x, this is a, and this is n. So, dy du, why dy du? Because the function is in u. dy du will now be what? Minus half times 6 u raised to power minus half minus 1. This will give us what? Minus 3 u raised to power minus half minus 1 is the same thing as what? Minus 1/2. That is minus 3/2. This is the same as minus 3 times 1/u raised to power 3/2. Yes, this is the same as what? Minus 3 divided by what? Square root of u, everything raised to power 3. What did I do here? Look at this. When you have something like this, a raised to power m divided by n is the same as what? Nth root. It's the same as nth root of a, everything raised to power m. So here, look at it now. Our a is u, m is 3, n is 2. So this is something as nth root of a, nth root of a, everything raised to power m. This is exactly what I did here. Now let's proceed now. We've gotten our dy du, we've gotten our du dx. Now let's go to the formula now and slot them in. Good. So let me clean this. So dy dx, what is dy du? Dy du is minus 3 divided by square root of u, everything raised to power what? 3. Times, what is du dx? Du dx is 2x. So this is the same as what? Minus 6x divided by, what is u? Divided by square root of x squared plus 5, everything raised to power 3. Now what happened here? Remember, we took u as x squared plus 5. The question says dy dx. Your final answer must be in x. So u is the same as this. So this is our final answer. Now try this. Do this. Differentiate (12) divided by 5x minus 8 raised to power 3 with respect to x. Differentiate this 12 divided by open bracket 5x minus 8 everything raised to power 3 with respect to x. Thank you.